Hello everyone! Right before I'll start today's full build project, I wanted to share with you these nice cars I found today at my local toy store. As you see, they are very nice and I'm going to customize them in the near future. Another thing I wanted you to know is that my friend Martijn from the Netherlands got his VW bus that I gave him. And Martijn, I hope you will have wonderful time with your new car. Don't forget to check oil level for once in a while. So let's get started with our project today. We have 3 cars that I got from a flea market, and I thought it would be nice to restore them and maybe do a little bit of customization to them. I think I will start with this one. It's a non-lifted version of this Majorette Jeep Cherokee, and it is a very interesting one. It had a missing door at the back and I managed to find one. The windows are in a very nice and good shape, and the interior is also clean. The one thing I'm going to change are the wheels, and I've already taken these set of wheels from a Matchbox donor car, and I had to shorten the axles a little bit by bending them at the middle. Another thing I'm going to change is the spring. As you know, each old Majorette car had this spring that acted like a suspension mechanism for this car. However, the spring was too stiff, and I've decided I will make another one with a thinner wire, and then it will get to be way softer than the original stiff spring it had. Okay, now I think I'm going to add this spring, which is way better than the original one. And the next step will be cleaning the windows and also painting the body of this car. This WD-40 oil never disappoints me. It cleans the plastic part to be transparent again. It also gives back its original shine. This is the paint I've chosen for this car. It's kind of a green turquoise color, And I've also painted the fenders in black and the surrounding area of the window with some silver color. After spraying the base with this matte black color, I'm taking some thinner and rubbing the paint from the area I want to be highlighted. Next step is to detail front and also side indicators. I don't know if you noticed, but first I'm painting the indicators in some silver color, and afterwards I'm using the actual paint. The same goes at the back. You see, you have silver color and then bright red enamel color. The wheels will also get some silver color treatment at the middle of each rim. The next step will be adding a roof rack for this SUV off-road vehicle. After cutting the desired places on this plate as done, I will just fold the tabs and add this bar with some super glue. Okay, there you have it. It's a nice tiny roof rack. Now for a little bit of weathering effects here and there. Tiny rusty spots, because this car is an old model and in real life it is hard to believe you will find these cars running without the signs of age on them. Okay, this is going to be the end of part 1 of this project. The next part will be about adding those bags at the top, because many people and subscribers here wanted me to show how they were done. So here is the final outcome of this car, and please join me at the second part of this video. And here is an example of what you can find at my next part, so please stay tuned. I'll see you at the second part. Bye bye.